video just stopped, so hopefully it recorded to this part. I'm just going to try running the program now. I don't remember what I was saying before. You'll enter password. Please enter your password. So I'm going to say hello. Now we need to verify that you know what your password is. Please verify your password. I'll say bye. Sorry, wrong password. Please try again. Notice that there's now a space, and that's the new line character there. Please verify your password. Goodbye. So it's still not working. I'm going to now try hello. Okay, and the program ended. What I need to do is, because that broke out of my loop, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here. I'm going to say print correct. Thank you for verifying your password. All right, so I'm going to try running this one more time, and I'll say pass is the password. Verify that verify is not the password, and I'll try pass is the password, and correct. Thank you for verifying your password. So that all looks well and good, except for the fact it says do not use an if statement, and this is what I use in line 9. So this loop executes unconditionally. It's a forever loop until this condition is true. Well, true is always true. So what I need to do is I need to kind of check this condition and throw that as my condition. And so if the password is equal to true, then this will continue. Or really what I want to do is I want this to continue every time that the password is not true. So what I can do is I can say, let's verify your password. So now that I've asked what the password is, I can now check while verify does not equal password. If it's equal to password, if I put this, while verify is equal to password, then it's going to keep doing whatever it is, but the password was correct. So I actually want to stop going through the loop. So I want to say, if verify doesn't equal the password, then I'm going to say, sorry, wrong password, try again. So we need to verify what your password is. I then ask for what the password is. So now that's been stored inside of verify. And now I check. If the password doesn't equal verify, I need to ask them for the password again. So I'm going to say, hey, sorry, wrong password, please try again. And so I have to ask, I have to repeat this statement, verify equals input, please verify your password. And now I've just asked for the new password. It's going to come back up. And the password isn't this, if the password I've entered into verify, if it's not equal to the original password, it's going to say, sorry, wrong password. But if it does equal the password, if I got this 2 correct, this condition won't be true because I'm checking to see if it's not true, if verify does not equal password. If it does equal password, then this will not be true and it will break out of the loop and then say correct you. So let's try running that now. Okay, so my password is hello. Please verify your password. I'll say bye. Sorry, wrong password, try again. Yes. Sorry, wrong password, try again. And so now I'm going to say hello. Correct. Thank you for verifying the password. So that is how we can use a while loop. Instead of making condition true and then breaking out of the loop, we break out the loop based upon the condition right there in while.